how to create an event on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to create event on Facebook. I'll show you how. Let's get started. Open up your Facebook application and then you land on the home page. Then go to the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. So from here, various options, search for events, go ahead and tap on it. And then if you want to create event, you need to tap on the plus icon on the top right. And here you can put in the event name. You can put anything that you want to, and then you can put in the start date and time. You can choose according to your wish. You can add end time as well, and then you can hit OK. And then you can even choose to repeat the event. You can put in information as it's it in person or virtual, who can see it, what are the details, and you can even put in photos or gif. You can choose any from your gallery and then just tap on create event at the bottom, and the event will be created and visible to all your Facebook friends. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.